Every Monday, I'm going to fast for 24 hours over the next 4 weeks. And then for the 6 remaining days of the week, Tuesday through Sunday, I'm going to do an 18-6 time-restricted eating schedule. Meaning that I'm going to fast for 18 hours and then taking all my calories within the 6-hour eating window. And I'm going to do this for the next 4 weeks. See, my main goal over the next 4 weeks is to get into a mild state of ketosis and to burn some body fat. And I've been experimenting with a lot of different types of intermittent fasting schedules over the past couple of months. This is actually the 3rd video I'm doing in a series of videos, just going over different types of fasting schedules that you can potentially follow to see what can work best and fit into your lifestyle. So let's go over in more detail exactly what I'm going to be doing over the next couple of weeks. So like I said, Monday, 24-hour fast. I'll wake up in the morning, have a little bit of black coffee, maybe a cup or 2 of black coffee. I drink a lot of herbal tea during the day. I like hibiscus tea. I probably drink 3, 4, 5 cups of hibiscus tea. And I also will drink a lot of mineral water. See, mineral water is high in magnesium, obviously high in minerals. I like to drink half my weight in ounces of mineral water every single day. Okay, now from Tuesday to Sunday, I'll do that 18-6. So I'll fast for 18 hours, and I typically like to break my fast right after I work out. Say I own a gym, I'm a fitness trainer, so I like to work out around 11 o'clock in the morning. So I'll break my fast around 1 o'clock right after my workout every single day. And since I want to get into a mild state of ketosis, so I can burn some body fat, but I'm also concerned about maintaining muscle mass, or I would even love to increase my muscle mass. So the type of diet I'm going to be eating is a very low carb, whole natural food diet with a good adequate amount of protein. So I'm going to keep my carbs below 50 grams of carbohydrates every day. And the type of carbs I'm going to be eating are those high fiber type carbs like vegetables. So whenever I'm having dinner, whenever I'm having, say, lunch, I'll have 2 different colored vegetables. Let me give you an example of, say, how I would break my fast, say, Monday night after a 24-hour fast. So Monday night, I want to take in a good amount of protein. I'll have, say, 16-ounce piece of salmon. That'll be about 100 grams of protein there. And then I'll have 2 different colored vegetables. Maybe I'll have a couple of cups of cauliflower. Then I'll have a couple of cups of string beans. To me, that's an ideal dinner. High in protein, high in fiber, low in carbohydrates. And I'll probably be generous also with the extra virgin olive oil when I'm sauteing the vegetables. But then when I'm doing my 18-6, I'm going to do it like this. On the days that I'm doing my resistance training, I'm probably going to take in more calories. I'll probably eat 3 meals. So right after, for example, my workout, a resistance training workout, maybe I'll have, say, a can of sardines, a couple of hard-boiled eggs, right? Then I'll maybe have an avocado with that and a little bit of, say, sauerkraut. So even though an avocado is a fruit, it's really like a vegetable. It's a high-fat, high-fiber type fruit. The sauerkraut is great fermented food, relatively almost no calories, a little bit of fiber, getting good quality protein and fat from the whole eggs and the sardines. So that'll be a meal there. Then maybe a couple hours later, I may have a small meal, maybe have like a can of tuna and maybe another half an avocado. And then my dinner will be very similar to the dinner that I had on Monday. Instead of salmon, maybe I have a nice steak. Maybe I'll have 2 different colored vegetables. Maybe I go with something like red beets and maybe broccoli, something along the lines of that. 2 different colors, high in fiber, relatively low in sugar. Beets might be a little higher sugar type vegetable, but I might only do that once a week. And I'll follow that strategy all the way going into Sunday. But on the days when I'm doing my easier workouts, let's say I'm just taking like a long walk, 2-hour walk, I'll probably do 2 MAD on those days, meaning that I'll only have 2 meals. I'll do the 18-6, fast for 18 hours, taking all my calories within a 6-hour eating window, but I'll only do 2 meals. So I wouldn't add that little can of tuna with an avocado. So I'll be lowering my calories. See, I think I'll be in a calorie deficit, obviously on Mondays, because I'll be fasting for 24 hours, and all the other days that I'm doing 2 MAD. But on the days when I'm doing my resistance training and I'm eating 3 meals, I probably be at maintenance calories. And I think after doing this, within 3 or 4 days, I'm going to be in a mild state of ketosis. 0.5, that's all I'm looking for. My blood sugar will be nice under control. And I'm going to do this for a couple of weeks. So if you want to go along, if you want to join in with me on that, leave a comment below the video. It'll be fun going through this together. If you have any questions and you want to check out the other 2 videos, when I talked about 2 different types of intermittent fasting schedules that you can possibly follow, check out this playlist of videos.